Cancer. This is your reading for the month of July. We are going to get messages from your person and let's see what do we have here. This reading is for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Not Known. Cancer, I feel this person is holding back. They want to settle down with you, but still they are hesitant. Let's see. At the bottom we have, I'm fed up of this drama. So I'm getting, it could be possible if you are not talking to this person, they do want to reach out, Cancer, but they are afraid that you are going to blame them or you guys will fight again. Let's see what do we have here. I still have sex with my ex. Okay, so it could be possible that you doubted this person and you confronted them. Calm down, don't exaggerate. Clearly, Cancer, this is someone who is blaming you that you exaggerate stuff unnecessarily, and why can't you just go with the flow? Why you have to be this emotional on every petty issue? That kind of vibe I'm getting here. But I also feel, Cancer, this is someone who don't want you to interfere in their life, interfere in whatever they are doing, because this is someone who likes their freedom. Here I feel this person could have cheated on you, and if that's not the case, they could be in contact with their ex or someone else. They could have told you that that person is just their friend, but I feel they were having sex with that person and you got to know that. Still, they were making you feel that you were very dependent on them emotionally and you just overreact on everything. The timing was not right. I also feel they walked away. They did not confess that yes, they were cheating on you or they did you wrong. Instead, they blamed you and they just walked away that they cannot handle this right now, that this is a lot of drama. I couldn't talk because I was stressed. I didn't mean to ignore you. So it could be possible that you are calling this person at night and they were having sex with their ex. I'm so sorry if that actually happened to you, Cancer, but that's what I'm getting here for now. I want a fresh start with you. I also feel this person is very arrogant, Cancer, that every time they walk away, you chase them or you never let them walk away from you completely because you are very dependent on them emotionally, and they are feeling that because you love them, this is your weakness. I'm too afraid to talk. So they are aware that this time they cannot blame you anymore because you are not in that energy anymore where they are making you feel low of yourself. You know your worth, and if you love this person so much, Cancer, I feel you still have emotions for them. It could be any emotion if this person has hurt you so much. So it could be possible that along with love, you have some kind of grudge as well for this person because they have hurt you so much. I have unblocked you. You can call now. Very, very arrogant person, Cancer. If you were very emotional for them, they took it as your weakness and they definitely took advantage of it. That's what I'm seeing here. I also feel this person was very disrespectful towards you, and not only that, this person disrespected your love as well, they disrespected your trust as well. I will try not to repeat the same mistakes. So now they want to have a fresh new start with you because they are aware that you're not going to come back, and they also know that no one is going to love them like you did because you actually loved this person so much and they were liking that attention, yet they were not ready to give you anything in return. I feel things were very, very unbalanced here, and this person was free doing his or her thing, but you were very emotional here. And I'm also getting a vibe here that you are waiting for the text or call. They are not replying, they are replying at their own convenience. It could also be possible that they never called you by themselves, like you could be the one who was always making a first move. That's what I'm getting here. Why do I feel you are cheating on me? Because they were cheating on you, because they were talking to other people. Could be possible they were having sex with other people as well. Now they are feeling that if you are not talking to them, then there must be someone else with whom you are talking or getting intimate, because This is their mentality, Cancer. That's how they feel or view the world. How can I fix it now? Know that they know that they messed up here, and it's very, very difficult for them to fix it now. Yet they are arrogant, very arrogant, Cancer. This is not someone who is going to say sorry or be very vulnerable in front of you. This is someone like, I did say I was sorry. Can you please stop this now? Can you please close this topic now? That kind of vibe I'm getting here. Very disrespectful person, and they never confess their mistakes. They never accept their mistakes. Instead, they blame the other person, lost without you. So they are trying to do everything that they should not do, Cancer, without you. They have no idea where their life is going, and I feel if they were having success in other areas of their life, nothing is working out for them right now. It could be their karma. If you loved this person so much, they are definitely getting their karma right now. That's what I'm seeing here. You're not the only one in my life. Exactly. They cheated on you, and now they are feeling, if you're not talking to them, are you talking with someone else? Give me a break. They asked for a break, Cancer. You don't want an alcoholic person. I don't want a controlling partner. Exactly. This could be someone who is having so many unhealthy attachments. Very toxic person. I also feel, Cancer, when you confronted them that are they involved with someone else or with their ex, they blamed you that they just need space, that you always bring a lot of drama in their life. That kind of vibe I'm getting here. Yet they felt that you are going to chase them, that after a few days you are going to text them, call them, that you want to be in a relationship with them, you don't want to lose them. But you did not do anything. That's what I'm getting here. Can you settle for 8 or 9 instead of 10? I also feel this person always made you feel that you seek perfection. But in reality, they were unable to give you that emotional fulfillment, and they were blaming you all the while. That's what I'm getting here. Why do I feel they disrespected you in front of their friends as well when you guys were out or something like that? I'm getting here. Do I feel this person really go out with you or very disrespectful? Like literally I'm getting this message here. How can I make things better now? So definitely they want to fix things now. How can I make things better and how can I fix it now? Still they are not ready to let go of their ego. You are a good person. Exactly, Cancer. They are aware that you have loved them so much and you are a good person. I'm trying to forgive myself. So now they are guilty that they have lost you because of their unhealthy attachments, because of their arrogance, because of their behavior towards you. Your demands are too high. They always blamed you that you are asking for too much. This is a lot of work for them and you stretch every fucking topic. But no, that was not the case, Cancer. You are asking for that emotional fulfillment, that equal give and take, but I feel this person never gave you anything. Like literally, when it comes to emotions, love, they did not make you feel loved, Cancer. That's what I'm getting here. You could have felt trapped in this relationship, that earlier they were chasing you or they are just using you for passion or something like that. I don't know why I'm getting this person was a control freak. For some of you, now this is a very specific message for someone. I feel this person could have made you feel that as a partner, you're not good enough, and also you don't look sexy or something like that. I feel this person was very arrogant that they checked out other guys or girls in front of you. This is a very specific message for someone, but again, I would say they did not respect you, they did not respect your love, Cancer, they did not respect this relationship. I also feel this person is very impulsive, and the spirit is asking you if they are going to approach you, Cancer. Wait, don't act on impulse, don't accept them or don't reject them. Again, we have get more information and practice patience. This person could be very impulsive, like someone who does not use filter when they speak, but the spirit is asking you to hold yourself back. Just wait for the right time. What's coming, spirit? Okay, so I feel you are very emotionally distant at present. Yes, in a past, this person was very distant from you. It could be physical or emotional distance, but I feel this person always was busy in his or her work, and that is it. Family. There could be some family issues. Why do I feel you could be married to this person? That's for very some of you, and surprise. So they are going to approach you and practice patience. Again, this is your advice, Cancer. This person will approach you, but don't reject this person and don't accept their offer either. Don't make any decision by taking someone else's advice. If your family is putting a pressure on you to accept them, especially if you are married to this person. Just go within, meditate, and truth will come out. I also feel they have so much desire for you, but it's time when you heal yourself before healing the situation with this person. So that's all I have for you. I really hope it helped, Cancer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.